Hello students, welcome back for the science class. Today we are going to start another new chapter by name The World of Microbes. Our new chapter will be The World of Microbes. First, we shall read the content. So take out your textbook, open the page number 253 and read along with me carefully. The world of microbes. Microorganisms, also called microbes, are tiny living things. They are not visible to our eyes because of their extremely minute size. Microbes grow fast in the presence of moisture, air, and warmth. Microorganisms are found in air, soil, water, and food materials. They even live all over plants and animals, including human beings. It is very difficult to find a place where microorganisms are not present. Types of microorganisms. There are 5 major groups of microorganisms. First, bacteria. Some bacteria are harmful and some are very beneficial. Harmful bacteria cause dangerous diseases such as tetanus, blood poisoning, typhoid, cholera, diphtheria, and tuberculosis. Disease-causing bacteria are known as germs. Beneficial bacteria break down wastes like dead bodies of plants and animals. Some bacteria increase soil fertility. Some bacteria help in the formation of curd and cheese. Some bacteria live in our intestine and help in digestion. Students, now look at the first figure, microscope. You can see the picture of microscope, and to the left side down, look at for the box. Let's make it simple. A microscope. Microscope is an instrument used for looking at tiny objects. It magnifies things or makes them look bigger. And below to that you can see different types of bacteria. The world of microbes. So by the name, the world of microbes, मतलब microbes की दुनिया. Now the question is, what is meant by microbes? Microbes. So let us see microbes. Microbes, microorganisms, also called as microbes. So microbes are also called as microorganisms. Okay, are the tiny living things which are not visible to our naked eyes and can be seen only through a microscope. So what is this microbes? Microbes are nothing but the microorganisms. Students, here the name microorganism itself indicates micro. Micro means tiny. Tiny means very small. Okay. So micro means it will be very small. So these very small living things or organisms are nothing but the microorganisms. So microorganisms, they are also called as, in short, microbes. Okay, microbes or microorganisms, we can say both. So these are the tiny living things. Tiny means is nothing but the small. So microorganisms are the tiny living things which are not visible. Visible means dikhna. Okay, which are not visible to our naked eyes. Naked eyes means without using directly we cannot see the microorganisms. Okay, so we, like how we can see animals, like how we can see birds, our cells and many more other substances. Unlike that, microorganisms cannot be seen directly with our eyes. Then how can we see? Yes. Instead, if we want to see the microorganisms, they can be seen only through the microscope. Okay. So if we want to see microorganisms, we must have to use microscope. Now what is this microscope? Microscope, you might have seen our school laboratory. There is a microscope. So now how can we define microscope? Microscope is a device or instrument used to see microorganisms. Okay. So if we take the help of this microscope, then only we will be able to see these microorganisms. So in today's class, we are going to start to learn about the microorganisms. So now we got to know about the meaning of microorganisms. Now we will also study about the types of microorganisms. So there are mainly 5 microorganisms, which are 5 main types of microorganisms. Okay, there are many microorganisms which have been categorized, that means which have been divided into 5 major groups. First is bacteria, second is fungi, third is algae, fourth is protozoa, and fifth is viruses. I repeat, types of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, and viruses. So now we will study in detail about microorganisms, that means how they will be, where they will be present, how they grow, and also the types of, among these types of microorganisms. In today's class we will study about one of the microorganisms, that is bacteria. In detail we will study about microorganism and also one microorganism, that is bacteria. So note down all the points which will be highlighted in the animated video also along with this backward summary.
We all are surrounded by different types of living things, but some of these cannot be seen with naked eyes. These are called microorganisms. Microbes or microorganisms are so small that they can't be seen with our naked eyes. So now how we will see them? Yes, with the help of microscope. Okay. Microbes. Microbes are everywhere, in the air, water, soil, and even in human being. Yes, some microbes are also present in our body. Microbes grow rapidly, or it multiply itself if it gets proper air, moisture, that is water, and warmth. So now, how microbes grow rapidly? Like, if take an example, if there are 2 microbes, they will become 4. They multiply themselves. They will become 4, and 4 microbes will become up to 16, and they go on so on. Some microbes are harmful and some of them are useful or helpful. So those microbes that are harmful for our body and causes many diseases are known as germs. Okay. So types of microbes. There are mainly 4 types of microbes, and they are bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. So bacteria. Do you know, kids, the fact about bacteria? Bacteria were among the first life form to appear on the earth. Bacteria are single-celled microbes. They are of different shapes. They are found everywhere and in almost everything. It means bacteria are found in every habitat on earth. They are in soil, rocks, oceans, even in plants, animals, and also in human beings. Okay? So bacteria are in number of shapes, like ranging from sphere to rods and spirals. Some bacteria causes disease such as tuberculosis, cholera, pneumonia, typhoid, etc.
Okay students, that was our today's class. The further content we shall continue in the next class. And in next class we shall study about another 2 microorganisms, that is fungi and algae. Okay.